Good morning, all of you. My name is Vayu Sharma, and today we are going to have a GD on the topic how can we make India safe for women? According to recent atrocities on women like domestic violence and public harassments, people took to the streets and they start violating and they did protest against administration and government, but still they didn't get any justice for women. If I talk about the gender equality index of India, it is our India is ranked 129 out of 148, which is even behind Bangladesh. If I talk about the women's safety index, it is 128 out of 177 countries, which is improvable. If I talk about recent census done by the government, 95% of women says that they don't feel safe in public, and 65% of women say that they have faced harassment on streets, and 25% of women said that they have followed by men on streets. Now the question is, how can we make India better for women? We have proper management and rules and regulation, but they are only on papers. No one follows them, no one obeys them. In my opinion, we should set up private committees at district levels for women's, and they should be headed by the women of particular area, and likewise in private sector and public sector. And my next opinion is, we can update our administration. Just for example, if there is a penalty of 10 years for any offense, there should be minimum minimum of penalty of 5 years. uh, small offense if all small offenses should be treated in the early time, like a person gets motivation to perform big crimes through small crimes. Small crimes. And the lust is the type of lust is circulated on social media, and the women's portrait on social media and in movies should be changed, and we should also make functional more SOS but panic buttons, and there should be no uh, participation of politicians in framing of laws to ensure safety of women, because most of the politicians like 151 MPs are convicted of uh, women violence, and police should be given free hand, and they should not get any they should not work under any influence of any politician. They should investigate freely. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. My name is Jagdeep. Hello, good morning. My name is Jagdeep, and I hail from Agra. And in my opinion, the power of the India has uh, has a in a bad hands, because we can say that we can see that in our area, if a MLA they has a son, and they can the MLA and his sons thought that we are the king of the our area. We can do anything which I like, and in the our area, in that particular area, they think that his friends and the relatives think that we have a lot of power, we can do anything, and then they do like this type of harassment, and if these type of power have a good hand, then they escape of these harassment. But these type of things is not having in time in that time.
Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Chaudhary. Today we are here to discuss about how we can make India safe for women. According to me, government should do many of the works to increase women's security in India, like SOS facilities or making capable of women strength, teaching him judo, taekwondo, and many things to take take self security in presence of other men. Also, government should start Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana. So government should do many things, but how they will be implemented in India, how people can take securities of girls, that is all based on the society. If we teach in schools that all girls is same as your sister, then the men who take crime against the women should stop by thinking the same things. We should have teach the children in the school times is from the starting that all girls are same as your own. According to me, if we are talking about our Asian time, we think that girls, women are Devi, and we think, not only think, we take him as a respect. As we are talking about the Rajas and Maharajas, we have the supreme power is women, like Rajmata. We do not have the post of Rajpita and other than, but we have the post Rajmata. He is supreme than the Raja. So if we want to stop these type of crimes against women, we have to be stop adopting more Western culture. We should have been promoted our own culture, which help the women's safety in India.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Seman Zurel, and we all are in a group discussion. The topic is how can we make females safe in India? Now, talking about the current condition of girls in India, God has put both boys and girls equal, and there are similarities between both of them. No difference is there. There are some differences are kept so that reproduction cycle can be completed. Now, talking about the crimes against females in India, according to the report, 70% of females face domestic violence in India, and 90% of rapes were committed by people known to the victim, such as neighbor, relatives, peers, and colleagues. So, now the condition of females inside the house is difficult. Let me explain to you why. First, abortion. Girls are being forced for abortion. People insist on them doing abortion. This is the first thing when they get to know it's a girl. Second thing, property. There is a law in Indian government. The property should be splitted between all children, but due to society pressure, the family should not divide it or should not split it the property between all the children. They splitted the property between boys. And third, education. Families should not promote their girls for higher education, whether girls is good or not in the education. They always promote their boys for the higher education. And fourth point is family decisions. Whenever a family is going to take any decision in a family, they don't involve their girls in a family discussion. And fifth point is taking permission. Whenever a girl is going somewhere, she needs to take permission from her father, brother, or mother. On the other hand, when we talk about boys, they don't need to take permission from anyone. Girl has to come back by 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. to her home. So we need to change this mindset. And now talking about how can we improve these things in India. First, politics. Girls should participate in politics. That's how they can talk about their rights, and That's how they can go in parliament, in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and they can speak for their rights. Second, news channels. News channel should cover all the information, all the crimes that is being raised by girls, against the girls. And third, social media. In social media, we check so few social media pages or many social media pages always speak against the girls. So we should change their mindsets, and we need to promote girls on social media as well. And the fifth point is sports and other industries. Girls should take participate in sports and other industries like acting, fashion shows, politics, sports, so they can find their feet in every field and take participate in every organization. That's all I have. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nisha Dangar. So today we have got topic: how can we make India safe for women? So, as India has ranked 128 among the 177 country, like India is not safe for women. But we are discussing how we can make India safe for women. So, firstly, I would say education and awareness. We we make them aware the society for the significance of women. Like if we make them aware the significance of women and importance of women, and one thing is this, like there is a one thing, gender equality. If we promote the gender equality, then we will see how our country will develop, like equality based. And as Modi has schemed in 2015, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But we can see, like, 42% girls are not receiving primary education, and like something 60% of women are not getting no school at all, rather than 31% male. So it's a very big concern. So we should support education and awareness. And second thing is like healthcare sector. I'm not talking about the developed developed cities. I'm talking about the rural area where women are not getting accessible and affordable healthcare. Like more than 60% women are not getting affordable and accessible healthcare for their uh, well health and reproductive rights. They still, women have faced a lot of difficulties for the good health. And now I would say a third thing is this: we should stop the thinking, like we should create the mindset among the we should create the mindset towards the girls. I'm-
Okay, I would like to add some more points. Like, if we can see the recent news of West Bengal, they have implemented a scheme called Aparjita scheme, under which they will provide steady justice for victims. Like, they have implemented harsh laws like death penalty for convicts, and under which they have provided established 62 POXO units, steady POXO units, and 52 steady courts. and they have also established 49 women police stations.
Hello, good evening to all. My name is Bharti Sharma. So today we have gathered here for discussion about the in how to save India for the women. So my stand on it. Um, my my first point is that uh, uh, especially society we can aware the society and yeah, mostly girls can't take can't take actions for their self because of their parents doesn't teach to them how to save their self. And if we teach to them to their childhood, we can also save for front of the any boys. But we doesn't teach. We uh, we all we, we only teach to on girls, but why we doesn't teach to their boys. And
I would like to add one more point. Uh, women mm, gender equality index also a concerning factor. How can we improve it? We To improve it, we can promote co-education, and we can promote the participation of women in private and public sectors.
In my opinion, in India, the bribe system is the biggest problem of the rape cases and any other harassment. Because if a leader and if any person who has a lot of money, and they can they do like the bad habits, bad actions like harassment and any other rape, people are scared to the to that man, because they have a lot of power, they have a lot of money, and they can do anything. And uh, if the family of the woman report in the police station, then the police don't do anything, because he had taken the bribe of the from the person, and they and the police don't do anything in that case. Taking bribe is the biggest problem in India. we should uh, we should Our government should stop the bribe system.
I partially agree with the points of my friend who says that bribe is the main reason of rape cases in India. But according to me, the rape cases is happening in India due to the mindset, not for the bribe. If
If the bribe system stop, then rape cases will be decreased.
bribe is come where when the people was thinking about their own family.
If the people have a money, then they can do anything. If the people commit a harassment, sexual harassment, then they think we can do this again, because we have money, and we can give the bribe to to the police, and we can do this
There is a no role.
again and again again.
We have we have also rich persons like Ambani and Adani, but they also contribute for poor people.
They have a good mindset. They have a good mindset, but money has
The
money
point
has
is mindset. The
money
point is
has
mindset, not money or bribe.
money has a
The main point is mindset.
no the money mindset has a mindset in our country. There are many people, and every people has a their mindset, and you can't change everyone mindset. You
But we
said,
need to change it, na?
how can you change it? You should
By implementing more and more schemes and awareness programs, we can change the mindset.
these all are things to so to speak, but you can't change it if you stop the bribe system. In my opinion, if you stop the bribe system, then the things will be decreased.
things will be decreased, but they won't get disappear completely.
You can't disappear bad habits completely, because if you have
But
seen,
they
you
can
have,
be
you have
disappeared through the social work, like implementing more and more schemes and awareness programs. But
yeah,
no,
yeah,
bribe is
it
not
will,
only the one factor.
but this is the main factor. This is main
How can
factor.
you say that it is? Someone wants to speak anything?
So, hello everyone. My name is Kirti Kumari, and today we are discussing. Um, if sorry to say sorry. So today we are discussing about the topic. So I want to say something that uh, the mindset is a major problem, but it is our major problem really. Who courage the boys that they do this for girls? Who courage?
Actually,
We
they're
are
right.
we are courage the boys because we don't take step for them. If a boy abuse us, then the parents, mostly in India, the parents say that uh, just quiet, don't forget it, don't mind it. This thing is the most typical thing in India. The parents in mindset, they mostly we see the our mother say that okay that uh, my brothers sorry my brothers say that bring me a water, a glass of water. Then I say that you go and take. Then my mother say that why he take, you go and give him. So this thing is not right, I think so.
Hello, ma'am. As you said, we can't change the mindset, okay? But if we tried to their self, from ourselves, we can change it. From firstly, we need to change ourselves, and then we after ourselves, we need to aware for to their family, because if can change our family, if can change us ourselves, we can change. They can also see can take a step. So why we don't take a step? For example, as a Bangladesh case, okay, so it see her mother also took a action. Many took action. After that, spread of awareness we can see right now, so we can change mindset.
We can
And
change, we can change, but as a limit we have also limitations. We can't change fully it.
we can't change fully, but we can change a 50% right now. If we change to their self, we if we take if we take action for their self, we can also change. We can change.
Good morning, all. My name is Sapna Dikshit. Let me get back to you the case Nirbhaya in 2012. So let's find out what are the reasons. Let me get back to the case in 2000, I think 20 or 21, Manipur case. What are the reasons? Is this corruption? Is this mindset? What are these? And now the Kolkata. So I mean to say this, there are so many reasons. Not one, that corruption, patriarchal mindset, socio-economic factors, so many reasons are there. So we have to understand first ki what are these reasons and how to challenge it. So reason, my first opinion is this: social patriarchal mindset, deep-rooted patriarchal mindset is there. Like I'm saying this. See, I'm like to add on. What's her name? Khushi. She said ki about mm, the mama said something ki no, you will do this. Your brother will can't do this. Why can't give responsibilities to the boys? Why? So these responsibilities, like, how can we change this? No, these are the responsibilities of the girls. ये यही करेंगी, ये लड़कों का है, वो वही करेंगे. क्यों? हमने क्यों अपने आपने अपने घर में ही डिस्टिंग्विश किए हुए हैं सारी चीजें, right? So I would like to emphasize on these things कि the deep rooted patriarchal mindset have to be changed from your family itself, right? why a father would concern about कि लड़की 7 बजे के बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए, because he knows about what are the societies, he knows about. And the brother, why the brother concern about their sister? Why? Because they know ki how the boys mindsets are there in the society. But why I'm asking you to all the boys in the corner of a road, what are you discussing? Don't you discuss about the girls? Tell me. Yes, you discuss about these girls. Yeah, ये तो बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. नहीं नहीं, चलो let's get the score of this. 10 में से score दे दो इनको. No, see, I'm not blaming you personally. I'm saying this कि boys mindset would be changed first. Or like in future we are discussing like that कि enforcement of the laws, implementation of the schemes. This is one of the factor we can improve it. But the mindset ingrained in the genetically, that has to be changed once. So my point is this: socioeconomic factors like gender inequalities, these are the reasons. So firstly, target on these reasons, and role of family, role of teachers, role of students, brother and sisters, all are the part of the society. So please contribute to, don't like, these are the discussions here, but firstly you would contribute in this to change the mindset. अगर आपके बगल में कोई बोल रहा है तो just say shut up यार, don't talk to me like that. Why are you enjoying all these things? So I must say कि please change your mindset first. That is the so-called the patriarchal mindset, and no one accept you कि like yes, I am doing wrong, no one accept this. So these are my points, and if anyone wants to like add on, please.
Thank you. You spoke very well, and I'm talking about the mindset of men. Everybody has different mindset. It depends very family to family, and I have been taught I respect girls, and it depends on the family. There is a thing: girls cooks food. I also cook food. I also iron my clothes. I also wash my clothes. So, so, so it's depend on the mind. Um, it depends, or it vary family to family. So targeting each and every man is not. No,
I'm talking about the general point.
I know general point is okay, but you see,
Indians
yeah,
men are like this.
okay. Let me give you a question or a situation.
Yes, he's saying right कि women would also take some part. Absolutely right. Like I'm saying this कि let's add on the education, add on few activities in the education system that has to be, I think, not like not carry on, like judo activities, taekwondo activities. This must be not a compensatory basis कि नहीं 500 रुपए दोगे तभी चलेगा. It has to be or must be implemented in the education system कि judo, karate, and what is good touch, what is bad touch, we have to know from the early stages. Or why would the girls know about the good touch and bad touch? Why would you don't know about the good touch and bad touch? हम सबको बात नहीं. And at the early stages ना, if you're talking about the 4th class का बच्चा, he will not know about this, but she has to be know. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके साथ गलत होगा ना. तो these are the things has to be changed in the education itself also. So the role of family, role of education systems, and the hit on the patriarchal mindsets, like about the few curriculum activities has to be involved in the education system. And I say this कि okay, what is has to be done, that's done, but we are here to change the society. So in future we hope these cases has not to be happen again, right? If we're talking about the Manipur cases, what are the reasons? These two tribes are there, Kukis and the Metis, and what they are doing, they are fighting for their identity, or fighting for their identity, and you rape the girl. Is this justified? No. So these are the main reasons कि आप what we say सब बदले की आग में you revenge in the shape of revenge, you do like these things कि ठीक है नहीं हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Girls is the property of everyone. No boys, no to the society, to all. These are not the reasons. Please change your mindset and do something that has to be enhanced the skills or the curricular activities and all.
Now I would like to add one solution. Um, there's a, I think there's a lots of solutions. So I would say we should focus legal and policy reforms. Like women have got 33% reservation in Lok Sabha, and but
has to be latest news.
but
Unfortunately.
and in 2020 something like 22 and 23, uh, Panchayati Raj institution has also implemented a scheme for women. But we see the society. If we see the society level, so like women are not aware to their rights, but we should make them aware. We should make in hints to take the strict actions and to handle the leadership quality among the society, among the women. And now I would like to say about the patriarchal thing that's all are discussing. So I personally think like that we can't change anyone, but we should change yourself. So firstly, we should enhance the women to help a woman. It's a very big concern in the society. Like women are not helping a woman. It's a very big concern.
Right.
And like they somewhere they get stuck, they get fear. Like if we take any strict action, then we also will stuck in middle, and we also have to go police station, like courts and like that. And so first thing I would say, we should like women should change the mindset towards the women. Firstly, women have to come in front of society. Women have to women have to express their problems and perspective in front of society. It's a very big thing that we can change to enhance the very something empowering and for boosting the economy. And now I would say in 2012 there was a case, Nirbhaya rape case, all already all have heard. But I'm talking about the there's lots of some like pity statements. And there was also one like Asaram Bapu committed like women should have begged, women should have called him brother. Is it possible if we call everyone brother? I don't think like that. And now I'm talking about the like all are saying like the reason is this, they all they are wearing short dresses. So in Nirbhaya rape case, a girl was wearing winter clothes, and that is a full cloth. So there's no point of the short clothes. There is the mindset uh, which we can need to change. And now I'm talking about the stereotype things, is stereotype perspective which exist which exist among us. So we should need to change it, and it should be changed for not for girls, for also boys. Thank you.
As all our says about patriotic and other things, according to me, we are Indians. and we are known for our culture. As we think we are not taking a girl is only a girl, we are taking as the honor of our house. So for protecting them, we are doing such kind of things that you are not going outside after the 7 p.m. and these things. Not for that the girl is weak, for just protecting our honor. We know that if someone was saying something, we just stop it, that let it be, because we don't want to raise the
Voice.
crime or raise the voice against the person, then our honor will be destroyed. Many of the cases in the middle families in India was just stopped because of the honors of the family. In many of the rape cases and other domestic cases, and many of the cases like someone was just teasing a girl or something, we can just stop. Middle class families just stop because they do not have that much of money to take a case, or they also want to protect their self respect in the societies. In India, we are living within a society. We prioritize society more than ourselves. So for not wasting our for not destroying our self respect or our family images in the society, we just ignoring the cases in the limited time. But when the case was just at the use limited, just increase their limit, then we go for taking revenge. So we cannot say that the patriotic mindset or other things are the main cases. It is in India, these cases in increasing because middle class person don't want to interrupt these cases in the society. If the middle class started to doing these things, then it will be the more cases in India which cannot be solved by the court or this is. As we taking about, there is lots of cases. I'm talking about the 2020 case. A boy was just just came out from the prison after the 14 years taking a prison for which they do not do the crime. And then the Supreme Court says, what is the no, what was the punishment given by given to the girls who ta- uh, who gave the wrong case on that man of the rape case. After 14 years of prison, the boy was just removed by the Supreme Court that he is not doing the crime. What was that 14 years goes? Who will pay for these 14 years? So that's why our judgment system is delayed, because they want the proper reasons or proper results and proper victims who can say that this is the man who do the crime. So many of the person says that the crime rate in India is increasing because of the judgment or constitution. It is not. Our constitution is made by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar with a huge mindset that no one, many of the criminal was left by their judgments, but no one, those who are not criminal got punishment. So that's the reason, and main of the reasons girls are getting not safety in India is not only for the reason of boys. Girls also comes under it. It is the in the Agra case of Madhunagar, the 14 year of girls got raped by 3 men. With them, there was a woman also.
In Kolkata it was also. The one of friend of her, I think, helped him
To take at that place. So we cannot only say that man has to be change his mind, women also have to change his mind. Or all the girls are saying that all men are men. So first think that you are also the daughter of a man or sister of the brother of the boy. So not only consult that all men are wrong. I'm not saying that, but some of them are doing wrong things. So you cannot tolerate that all men are same. So let it be.
Okay, so uh, we should not say man's mentality. We can say human mentality or people mentality, because man mentality, it means you are targeting the man community. And I would like to share, when a crime is happened, there is always a man who investigate the crime. There is always a man who cover the crime. There is always a man who explain the crime, and there is always a man who give justice to a woman or a to people. So we should change this mentality. Boys is like this or men's are like this. We should always say people mindset or people mentality. We always talk about women's right. Whenever something is happen, we always raised our voice. And there is another thing, when a crime is happened against the against the man, there are few women's, but that are different topic. But whenever something is happened, as you talk about Nirvya case, as you talk about Kolkata case or a Manipur case, there are many voice who raised their voice against the crime. But the point is, we should always say people mindset. Females always speak, always write on social media, men's are like this, men's are like this. So this should not be happened. We are men's, we are human being, we always have feelings, we respect every aspect of girl's life. So I think we should change this thing, man mentality or boys mentality.
I agree all these points. You are saying the conviction rate is low. I agree to this. And what about I've highlight on the another point like police reforms. See, police reforms. If I quote a one case, there's Arushi Hatyakand. If we see another case, it looks like a rape case. If we see from the perspective of the police case, it's just like a honor killing. So what do you say this? So my thing is this: ki the mindset change in our culture. These are our fun point. Police reforms has to be implemented, and the third point is this: economic independence. Economic independence, irrespective of the boys and girls, has to be encouraged. Like if women wants to study, women wants to do job, so has to be encouraged. Yes, you will go and do something. But in our society, what has to be done? No, you will not go. If you want to join some courses or like this, teaching and the medical profession is a very good for a woman. We have already decided what is good for a woman. Yeah, this is good. Okay, because we feel like that कि women are safe in these fields. कि teaching is a profession is a good because 5 बजे बंद हो जाएगा school, आप घर आ जाओगे. Like this ना. So I'm not emphasizing that all the men are wrong, but I'm saying the slowly and gradually things has to be changed. Like अगर 7 से 8 भी होता है तो यू हैव टू बी ट्रस्ट ऑन द गर्ल्स एंड ट्रस्ट ऑन द बॉयज टू कि नहीं मेरा लड़का भी गलत नहीं करेगा. द मदर, as we say that the mother is a home first education, something I forgot this quote. तो एक माँ, हाँ, like एक माँ ही है जो बच्चों को एक शिक्षा देती है, राइट? कोई, हाँ, फर्स्ट टीचर, राइट? तो वो like no one will come out from this कि हम ऐसा ही करेंगे, है ना? So this gradually they learn from the society ki yes, this is right and this is wrong. And already said that ki the 2-3 points are there. Patriarchal mindset, though it is deep rooted in the society. And the second is economic independence is also a reason to to provide safety for a woman if they are in economic independence, just like an Indra Nooyi and then Saina Nehwal in the sports, and so many examples are there. So the third is the police reforms, and the one of my friend has to be mentioned like this low conviction rate. So yes, surely it has to be improved. High conviction rate maybe change the mindset. Yes, recently the Kolkata passing a law of the capital punishment. So yes, this is a good example. Like we make our country more safer than earlier. So thank you.
So now I would like to add some other points. Like we should enhance the women empowerment. Like in employment sector, women 20% women are entrepreneur. 20% women are entrepreneur, and 40% women still are facing the difficulties like a low level like a small and very minor enterprises. So we should enhance the women empowerment so that women will also play a significant roles to boost our economy. And the other thing is this, like we should injustice, like like 99% of men are judge in our justice system. So it has to be implemented, and women should also women we should have part to women of this.
The participation of women has to be increased.
Yeah. And
In other sectors. Right.
and one thing is this, like firstly we should come
Underground.
we have to come on the ground, and we have to come like we should implement some NGOs and some teamworks for helping the women to, like if women is stuck in some bad situations, then is there should be something, there should be some NGOs and organization
Welfare societies.
organization should be held. So and some like we can implement some other thing, like we can provide a number like a WhatsApp number and a WhatsApp group like that. So all are all can be help from it, and that's it.
So, if I'm talking about government, then government's taking very strict acts to this. If we are talking about a girl shouldn't go after 7 o'clock, go outside, it's wrong. A girl is not safe in the at home. I know the real case, but it's not filed in any police station. In Firozabad. In Firozabad, a family goes to outside for a marriage, and my brother's girlfriend. It's about my story about my brother's girlfriend. She's at home, and her mama do it wrong with her and kill her. But nobody can do anything about. मतलब किसी ने कुछ नहीं किया. No one will be do any action. It is a wrong thing or not? You say that it's wrong, na? The particular things we can't change. It's never change. We try to change it. We try to away women's. Then we can't. The girl's mother know everything, but she couldn't do anything. So we should think. She feel helpless. So we should change the mentality of our mothers. There is need to change. Like औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है. It's kind of things are true.
So you should start these things. In the future, you also becoming a mother. Then you should change this thing.
I do. Yeah, I do.
We should also, not he, not she. We should also.
She become a mother, we are not.
Oh my
Go
God!
understand it. You become a father, na? You become a father, na? Then you teach.
You will take a step in, na, to change the
She
society.
says that the mindset of mother. That's why I'm talking to her.
No, actually, because she felt the helpless. She's saying that. She's saying that she is helpless. Economic independence plays a role.